Watch this video and learn how to draw a stack of donuts. Wow!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Are you having a good day?
Yeah.
What should we do today, Artie? Do you know?
Artie wanna do drawing today. Yeah, drawing.
What should we use to make the drawing?
Pencil, maybe? No, pen. Marker pen. Yeah, marker pen, please.
Yes. Guess what, Betty? It's a marker day.
Again?
All right, are you ready, Artie? Artie, have you got your pens? Have you got your paper?
Yeah.
Then let's begin.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's start by drawing a big curve, a sort of upside-down smile across the top of the page. Complete the curve all the way down. That's it, Artie. Great start. Now come down a little bit on the right and the left. Now draw a little wiggly line from the left side to the right side. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Now let's draw an oval shape inside the top of our donut. If we're going too quickly, little artists, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. All right, let's do a little curved line on the left and the right, coming down underneath our wiggly line. And now let's connect those together. That's our first donut complete. Let's draw donut number 2. This is going to be underneath the first donut. So we'll do a curvy wiggly line again.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Okay, Artie, okay. Finish the wiggly line. That's it. Let's draw the hole in that donut. Just do an oval shape again. That's it. A little line down on the left side and the right side, and then connect those two lines with a big curvy shape all the way across. And now it's time to start the third donut. Oh my goodness, so many donuts.
Artie's having so much fun.
Yes, he really is.
Well, Artie does love donuts, so if he can't be eating them, he's happy enough to draw them instead.
Yeah.
Let's draw the bottom of the donut, the bottom of the bottom donut, and go all the way across, and then up to the end.
Oh, that's break.
You want a dance break?
Wait.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should he take a dance break, little artists?
Dance, Artie, dance!
Dancing is a form of art.
quite incredible, isn't he? I give it a 10.
He is incredible, Louis. Okay, let's finish this donut stack. Artie didn't draw a hole in the bottom donut. That's so that he could leave enough room to draw a face. First of all, 2 eyes, 2 little black dots with round circles around them. Now your donut has a face, Artie. That's funny. Let's draw some eyebrows above his eyes. And how about a little smiley mouth? Fill it in nice and black. Well, he doesn't look too happy about those other donuts being on top of his head. I think he'll be okay, though.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, it is pretty neat.
Now use a thinner pen and draw the sprinkles on top of the icing. Lots of little tiny rectangles. Just draw them randomly, anywhere you want. This is starting to look yummy.
Yeah, yum yum.
Let's do a few more sprinkles on the bottom donut. It's looking really, really great, Artie. You're finished? They look really yummy.
Artie, are you going to color it in now?
I think you should.
Finished! I love the colours that you picked, Artie. I love the pink and the blue and the yellow. You did a wonderful job.
Perfect. I think that one's going on the fridge.
It's the best.
Well, little artists, we hope you were drawing along at home. And we hope you have an arty day. It's time to say goodbye.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.